Done disassembling, so everything what was crashed in here is done. So all I'm left is I have to fix these parts. So this is a carbon fiber, so it will basically just glue itself. So this, and that's it. I managed to change the lights in here. Also that one is changed. Everything in here was removed. The bag cover is removed. Everything what is inside of that is also removed. So basically a lot of shit has been removed from this car. I can call it a good day. Yeah, so still there's a lot of crap left in here. So for example, I have this one. I don't know what will I do with it. Basically I think I'm just sell it. Either way, so that's it.